Halo Zaki.
Halo.
Halo Fauzi.
Halo.
Good morning Zaki, Fauzi. Thank you for taking the time for this brief meeting.
Good morning, Rama. You're welcome. I also want to give an update on our ongoing promotion.
Hello everyone. Alright. Let's get started. What do we need to discuss this morning?
I'd like to explain our business progress over the past 2 months. Also, I'd like to hear your input on our sales and distribution strategies.
From our marketing perspective, sales have increased by about 15% after we intensified our promotion on social media. However, I think we still not reaching out of town markets effectively.
That's a good number, but we should start thinking about an expansion strategy. Is our distribution strong enough to handle out of town demand?
For now, where there is a regular courier service, if the demand keeps browsing, I think we'll need a more representative partner.
I agree. Maybe we can partner with a local shipping company that offer express delivery service.
Besides that, how about financial management? Is our cash flow running smoothly?
Generally, our revenue has increased, but demand or spending on raw materials has also gone up due to frequenting market price.
Alright, I suggest we start preparing more detailed monthly financial report. This is important, so we can clearly map out threats and opportunity. I can help the coordinate with the finance team on that.
Thank you, Zaki. Fauzi, do you have any after suggestion for our business development?
I suggest we start building a stronger brand identity. For example, by creating more attractive and consistent packaging across our product.
That's great idea. Maybe we we can also add a slogan on the packaging.
A catchy slogan can encourage the product appeal on the store surface.
Exactly, a strong brand identity will help our product be more memorable to customer.
Alright, then I think that's enough for today. Then you for your input that kept working together to grow our business.
Will do, Rama. Let's keep the spirit up.
You're welcome. Let's the next meeting.
Thank you, Zaki.
Thank you.
Thank you, Fauzi.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
For Zaki, for Fauzi.